everyone, my name is Jessica Whitaker. Today I'm here with Jasmine, my queen. She's amazing. We love Jasmine in this house. We're shooting around Soho area. It's super fun. Yes. We're gonna take you along. I'm shooting with my CANON 5D Mark IV, my Sigma 35 art lens. Go view the full set of images down below. Make sure to join Build and Bloom. It's a free online community for photographers. And we also do free photography workshops around the nation. We're gonna be in Texas, Jasmine's home state. We're gonna be in Dallas and Houston, July 14th and 16th. So you can get your free tickets for that down below, and let's get started. The glow comes through. Amazing. Queen. Okay, now, now I'm going to have you maybe try putting both hands up and then kind of arms or tone come through. Yes! Beautiful. Yes, smile really big. Lift your face up again. Good. Oh my gosh, queen, you're really good. Okay. And do a, wow, I'm shook. And I barely use that word. Amazing. Lift your face a little bit higher. So good. Smile big and look that way because I don't know left from right. Oh, so good. Okay, with this hand, now put it up by your face, and then even cross this arm if you're feeling advanced. Amazing. Okay, perfect. And kind of tilt your head back again to get all of that glow, and then smile really big. Yes. Have you part your lips just a little bit more? Yeah. Tilt your head back slightly. There we go. Sorry, you make me laugh so hard I can't control it. Wait, oh my gosh, I'm dying right now. Slightly lean forward. I know it might seem like you're gonna fall, but it's. We'll get the pic before you fly to the ground. Just cracks me in my mouth. Just like, yeah. Beautiful. Oh, this is sick. Ooh, they're not ready. They've never been ready. They never will be ready. Let's put your hand back up again. No, yeah, and then tilt your face up now. Yes. And then we'll do another little location. Lift your face a little bit higher. Yeah. Yes. Highlight come through, cheekbone come through. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. And tilt your jaw out towards me so we get the jaw look. Perfect. Yes. Basically go kind of rotate it out. Yeah. Oh, amazing. Yes. Oh wait, this is really cool. Bring your hands back on your hips, okay? Yes. Perfect. Yes. Out. Okay.
Fine, they're walking the opportunity.
Or you can look off the other side, but try to keep your head up. And go. Yes! Good. Amazing. Back and forth. Perfect. Yes. See, it just creates movement. It's kind of like yes. Amazing. Yes. Now I'm gonna have you walk. Okay. Yeah, I just like that. Give them that 3/4. Yes, I love that. So good. Good.